Hello! In front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the sun, this one, and this is basically the brightness icon. You can tap on this icon and this menu should pop up, and here we can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.